Module 5, Section 20, MySQL Order by. How to In this section you will learn how to sort data present in a table in ascending and descending order. So basically in this tutorial you will learn how to sort data based on single column. For example, in employee database you want to sort data based on department, and also you learn how to do sorting based on multiple columns. That is, firstly we want to sort data based on department, and then after that designations. Okay, so it is possible to sort data based on multiple columns. Thirdly, you will learn how to sort data based on a custom list. Suppose we want to sort employee database in the following order of department, like first sales, then purchase, then IT, then HR. So these three type of sorting you will learn today. And the third type of sorting, we will use field functions. So let's do these directly in the MySQL workbench. So this is the syntax of sorting, and we saw data using order by clause. So first of all you provide a column list after select list, select command, then you provide table name after from clause, and then you specify the columns on which you want to sort after order by clause. So you can do sorting either on ascending and descending order. By default the order sorting order is ascending, so we need not to provide ascending order. And if you want to sort data based on descending order, then you can use this keyword DESC, or you can write complete word descending. So let's start this type of sorting in MySQL workbench. So I'm using the same table, uh, employee details. So let me show you the content of this table. Select star from employee details. Okay, let's see the records present. So these are the records present in this table. So first of all, let's suppose I want to sort data based on department in the ascending order. So how will I give command? Select star from employee details. So my command will be like this. I am copy pasting this. So this time I want to sort in ascending order, so I need not to use ascending keyword. I simply gives select star from employee details, order by, order by column on which I want to sort. I want to sort on department, so I will give department. Okay, let's execute this. See, so it sort our data based on department. So HR is coming first, then IT, then purchase, then sales. Now suppose I want to sort this in descending order, so I will use descending keyword. So this time in descending order, sales department will come first. Okay, see, sales is coming first, then purchase, then IT, then HR. Okay, now suppose I want to do sorting based on multiple columns. That means if department is same, then it will look for designation. Okay, so it will uh, put those first whose designation is uh, come first on the basis of sorting. So I can give like this: order by department. Let's suppose I am ordering based on this sales. Okay, then after that I am giving designation, and based on designation I want to sort in ascending order, so I will give ascending keyword over here. If I won't provide ascending keyword, then it will by default also it will be ascending. Let me check order by designation. Typo, is there any typo? DESI Let's run this query and check. There is some mistake. What's the problem? Let's check the error. What error it giving? It giving department descending, designation sending. You have an error. Check the SQL syntax designation. Okay. let me give like this first. E designation order by descending. Okay, let's check first by this whether it's working or not. Yeah. Okay, now this time it's sorting this. Now I want to sort based on department. Okay, department descending. Okay, so we need to give comma whenever we want to sort based on multiple columns. So I want to sort firstly by department in descending order. If once the department are same, then it will check for designation. So let's check. So first of all, it's sorting department wise in descending order, and once department same, then it's sorting based on the designation. Okay, so this is how we sort based on multiple column. Let's suppose uh, I want to sort based on custom list. So let me copy this. Okay, custom list means I want to define my order. Like suppose I want to order in the order of first purchase, then sale, then IT, then HR. Like this I want to sort. So I will give like I need to use field operator. Okay, field within bracket I will provide the field on the basis of which I want to sort. Then I will provide the values. Like first I want to sort on purchase, then after that sales should come, sales, then after that I want IT, then after that I want HR. Okay, so this is my custom order on the basis of which I want to sort my data. So this is how we use field operator. Let us summarize it. Select star from employee details, order by field. In field, I will define the column on which I want to perform custom sort. Then after that, values of the custom sort, custom order. Let's run this. See, see it's coming as per our custom order. First purchase, then sales, then IT, then HR. So this is all about ordering data based on ascending and descending order, multiple column, single column, and custom order. So in this section you basically learn three type of sorting based on single column, multiple column, and custom list. You practice these by your own, and if you have any kind of doubt you can message me, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.